Hello guys, I'm going to show you how I clean up my computer because it's a mess again, and I can imagine you having same kind of problems. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set up this, so it's actually a guide to this too. So yeah, because this is Xpadder and I want to use it so you don't hear my mouse all the time. Most games actually have a thing, they natively support a controller. For this I'm going to use, Xpadder. Let me see, Shift Delete, what do I need next? Alt Tab, it's fine. Mouse keys. I might actually need Control and Escape. So, those are the keys I'm going to use. Oh. Enter could be nice too. Enter. Okay, so set up my controller like that. So, let me show you guys how I clean up my computer. First things first, I'm going to close a few programs here. I actually have this sorted like this. Let me get the sorting thing back first. Clean up the file. This should be only file tools. That's not really true. Let me actually change this one. I actually want it in video tools. Yes. So the first things I'm going to do is just sorting everything out again. If I were you, I should sort my files too. It looks cleaner. It's just much cleaner. So let me take a look here. Adobe. Do I have all those programs? Yes, I do have Adobe everything. Hey, look. And now I'm going to my start menu. Battle.net. Yeah, it's a client. I don't use that client. Yeah. Well, I use a Hearthstone client, but it already has a Hearthstone shortcut. The X3 is pretty important, but that's supposed to be in video tools, so I'm going to put it back there. Video tools, video tools, video tools. Yep. There, paste it. Move and replace. WinPcap. Well, that's a driver. I don't need to have a start menu entry for that. So let me delete that as well. TeamViewer is supposed to be in Internet. But I had this TeamViewer shortcut already. But it's for the old TeamViewer. That doesn't remind me though. Is this the old TeamViewer or the new one? This is the old TeamViewer. I want this to be gone. Let me see. I probably could just delete this. Oh no, I was not planning to burn anything. I probably could delete this. Delete, yes. Because the new TeamViewer 9 is actually in this folder. So yeah. Also, I had this nice shortcut icon here. Well, let it be. Shift delete. Yes, I want to delete it. Yes. Let me see. My recycle bin had got pretty full already. Let's throw all this away. Yes. Isn't there a mouse throttle button in Xpadder? Like if I press this key, my mouse gets throttled. Let me see. Here, advanced. Turbo? No. Assignments. Add release zone. Add cycle stop. Add pause. No. Okay, I don't know. Let's just keep it that way. Also, I actually want to have backspace selected here, like that. Okay, let's go on. TeamSpeak, TeamViewer. This file can be gone to, wait. Yeah, I want to permanently delete this file. Visual Studio. Well, I actually want this in File Tools. Of yeah, well, wait, I'm going to make a new folder called Programming. What I mostly do is for to make it more yeah, well, it just looks nicer if I find a programming icon. Let me see if I can find a nice one that fits what I have here. Let me see, it's all a bit rounded, huh? Nah. Maybe. Oh, yeah, I don't get an icon for that. Nah. Maybe there. So it's again. Maybe if I put ICO like this, might be better. Like I said, this is going to be a lengthy video. You can skip through it if you want. It's just me cleaning up my computer. Right. I think this will do. And I'm going to save this file. And I'm going to call it programming. And I'm going to put it in a folder that I'm never going to delete. Probably. A folder that I'm never going to delete should be on my D drive. Let's put in Visual 2010. I'm probably never going to delete that folder. So there, I found myself a nice programming icon. I'm going to assign it to this folder. Customize, change icon, browse. Oh, I never assigned any scroll buttons. That should be pretty nice to have in there too. I want this to be scroll up, scroll down, scroll left, and scroll right, like that. Okay, so yeah, much better. Visual 2010, programming, okay. Apply that, and look at that. I want a shortcut on my desktop. Yep. Rename it. I want this thing to be off there. Oh, whoops. Rename. This piece gone. Okay. Well, that's not nice. Let's call it program, because this doesn't look very nice. Even kijken, File Tools, Adobe. I can put Adobe in Video Tools and call this Photo and Photo video tools. It's better that way. Looks much more clean. Night view is going to be down there. This is actually when it gets dark. I put that on. You can also put it on automatically, but that just slows down your computer. So I'm not going to do that. Programming. So I have my Visual Studio here. Going to put it in here like that. Much cleaner. Code blocks is going to be in there too when I download it. Oh yeah. Shift delete. No. Shift delete. Yes. I want to permanently delete it. Monaco. I have no idea what that should be. I'm going to delete this. Let me see in my games folder if everything is alright in there. Tangle, yeah. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to press Control. Oh, that's not Control. Control. I want to keep this. 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 And I want to keep this. Rest of it. Oh wait, I want to keep this too. Rest of it gone. Yes. Why did I just delete my try shortcuts? Because they are missing their icons. I don't like that. Let me see here. Try, right click, create desktop shortcut. Yes. Wait, it's still missing its icon. What the fuck? Why am I missing my icons? No, it's there. Huh? Refresh. God the damn it. What is this? General, web document, change icon, browse. I know where to put those Steam things. If you're going to look at it, Steam. I thought it was app cage. No. I did know where it was. User data? Nah. Graphics? Nope. Bin? No. No, that was not it either. User data graphics, depot cage, controller config, package resource, Steam apps maybe. Common, try. Should be here. There. Good enough. Apply. Like that. Put it in games. Try 1, 2. I actually deleted conviction lately because it just keeps crashing. Going to replace that with blacklist, but not just yet. Yeah, go. Delete shortcut. Heh, there it is. Shrine, properties, same thing again, change icon, but now I know where it is. Shrine 1, Shrine launcher, yes, apply, look at that, nice icons, like that. I don't have my DX3 in there. I think I put it in photo video tools, yes, okay, so that's fine. Team viewer. Do I have it there? Team viewer. Yeah, I have it there. Okay, so that's nice too. Game boost, I don't actually have that anymore, so delete shortcut. I can recommend you to get that if you don't like cleaning up your computer every time, because they actually do a pretty good job. So yeah. Keep that in mind. Furthermore, I think I have everything now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Going on. Motion enjoy. Do I have that in games already? Yes, so I can remove that. That's actually for my PlayStation 3 controller. I made a homemade receiver for the Xbox 360 controller, so I don't actually need motion enjoy anymore. But it's always nice to just be able to use your PlayStation controller. Yeah, it's a pretty nice video converter, but I don't need it now. So that's going to go away too, because I don't need it anymore. Oh, seems that I can't use my controller with administrator kind of things. Open DSHCP server. It's something I need for my project from school. I don't like it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it like that in my internet folder. As you can see, I have qBittorrent instead of uTorrent, because microtorrent is pretty bloated right now, and they're actually claim to be ultra tiny. Now they aren't anymore, so I don't like them anymore. Hearthstone can be gone too. Plop. Yes. Now let me see. All programs. Oh, it's still there. Okay, I'm going to delete you. Yeah. So the normal sorting thing is done. This is pretty much a thing anyone can do. Now you need to go to your actual folders. Look what you can delete. Like Goomba, yeah, well, don't need that. Wheezy Raspbian, don't need it anymore. I put this somewhere else. What is local? DS3 tool local. I don't need that. I don't need that. I don't need that. Pokemon Heart Gold. Yeah. I have the originals thing here, but I want to play it on a download card, my backup, because I want to save my thing. So yeah. Hearthstone, there's Mume, oh. Shift delete. Yes. Oh yeah. Whoops. Lol. Actually try to delete something I don't want to delete. Terraria. Up. I'm going to put it in there. Because I like it. Delete that. Yes. And send this to the desktop. Create a shortcut. Write load is for Imgur. Pretty nice. You can upload things directly to Imgur and you get a link. So definitely can recommend that if you use Imgur a lot. Terraria, games. Whoop. Okay, so now that is done. This is much cleaner now. How big is my video getting? Wow, it's already 16 gigs. Well, you know that it works that way. I can delete this. What is this all about? Wait, I can delete this too. Oh no, no! Internet Explorer, I hate you. With coffee, anything is possible. Yeah, I like that. Oh yeah, that's Cimarron. Oh yeah, I can delete that. Yeah. I think I'm going to make a folder for this kind of stuff because I don't have any. Pretty bad actually. Libraries, pictures, properties. So I'm going to move my pictures folder. Therefore I need to remove it first and then include a folder. Go to my D drive. There. New folder. I'm going to call it pictures. Easily like that. Give it another icon. This is getting long. Let me see. Give it another icon. Icon. Come on. You know what? This looks like a nice icon. I like it better than original pictures icon. Just like that. Include that. And optimize this library for pictures, like so. Set save location. And apply it. Okay. So my pictures folder is actually on my D drive now. Much better. And so they are going to save to my pictures folder in default on my D drive. And I can do this now. Put all those pictures here. I can delete that too. Hoppa. So do this and cut this, put it in my pictures folder, paste it there. Much cleaner. Let me see, fade stay night. Fade stay night. Make it a bit cleaner. Adobe, yep. Battle.net, yeah, like that. Borderlands, Deus Ex. Why is this? Has this a lock on there? I can remember putting a lock on there. Apply, apply. Well, this is going to take some time. There. Still a lock. Security. Advanced. Yeah, that's from this. Owner. Change owner. Yeah, I'm going to do that because this isn't right. Apply. Yep. I'm the owner. It's my Borderlands folder. And it still has that lock. Why does it still have that lock? This isn't right. Properties. Customize. No. Apply. Yeah. What the f is going on here? Well, that didn't do anything. Well, F this. Deus Ex Invisible War, downloads. Yeah, I did that already. Emulators, NDS, yeah, alright. Page stay knife, fraps, handbrake, Hearthstone, handbrake. Yeah, I need it. Let's not delete that. Projects. Oh yeah, that's that. Yeah. Riot Games, Cool, Scum, VM, Steam, TeamSpeak. I can actually put a server in the TeamSpeak folder. Looks somewhat cleaner. Virtual dub. Why do I actually need it for? Let's remove that. Okay, so much cleaner now. Let's go on. I need that. It's ridiculous, but I need it. Do I actually need the servers? No. Okay. Remove the service. Yeah. Okay. So we got to the. We did pretty much basic stuff now. All manually because it works best away. Now we're going to go to Windows Deerstat. It's pretty nice. You just let it scan. It takes a long time depending on how much files you have. I don't have that much files, so I think it's going to not take a long time for me, but I'm still going to pause the recording so we actually have so you don't have to sit this through. So it's done now. Let me see. 24 gigs. It's too much. Just too much. Steam apps. Let's see, what can I delete? Common. Borderlands, Trine, Monaco, Dota 2 beta. Why do I need that? Because I haven't even got it installed. Deleted that. That's actually my downloading Deus Ex, I believe. Yes. So I'm going to keep that. Config. What's this? Oh, it seems pretty important. Let's not change anything in here. That's my video. No problems with that. Borderlands. Yeah. I think this is clean enough. So this is WinDeerstat. You can see everything that's going on your computer. It's really nice. Let me see, WinXSX, 18 gigs. WinNet, temp. Your temp folder, you always want to delete that. Fireworks. Right. Delete it. Yes. So I deleted that. Prefetch. There it is. You can delete that. It's not really necessary. It could actually slow things down even. So Adobe, reference, Intel, CMA. I can't delete anything in there. Users, Rick. It's probably going to be much worse on your computer. App data, local, when you haven't actually cleaned it up yet, because I clean my laptop every month or so. So yeah. Delete everything in here. I had to bind my A key actually. Well, yeah. Fuck. Shift delete. Yes. Opening Skype. Okay. Not really a problem. So let's refresh this folder. This should actually make my temp much smaller, as you can see. Moonchild is a big one. Moonchild is actually my Pale Moon. Pale Moon is a 46-bit version of Firefox. So what's in here is actually just data from your browser. So I'm going to delete it. Yes, I want to delete it. Because it's actually just cookies and passwords and everything. If you have any cookies, passwords or anything you want to keep, I should backup it first before deleting it. So like I said, just know what you're doing. Windows, Explorer, web cage. This is fine. I can't really change anything in there anyway. Battle.net. Better DS3. I don't want that anymore. Oh, fuck. What you're going to find here is a lot of old things you have ever installed and never looked at again. Because things just don't really delete in Windows. Not everything is deleted. A lot of stuff keeps behind. So that's why I use WinDirStat, because it shows everything. Just remember that. It's really nice. Skype, Riot Games, LibreOffice, Microsoft, AVG, Motion Enjoy, Notepad, Handbrake. Yeah, this is fine. Oh wait. Yeah, like here, you could see I just have my utils in here. It's not actually anything in there, but the folder still exists. That's one of those things. Microsoft, CryptNet URL cache, content. I believe I can delete this. Just not going to do that because it's all Windows stuff. I don't dare to change much in there because it could actually destroy stuff that you don't want to be destroyed. If you know what I mean. I don't need that. Yes. Let me see, my video folder is almost empty. Yeah, that should be fine. Let me look further. The program data is pretty big. This Adobe folder. Yeah, it's mostly the Adobe folder. It's my virus, antivirus. I can actually move the backups because I don't actually need them, because they are just backups. So yeah, as you can see, this makes my even my those are update files. I'm pretty sure my antivirus can make them again, so I'm going to delete all of this too. Most of it should be just pretty much useless anyway. As you can see, this makes my folder much smaller. So let's look if my antivirus is still okay. Probably it is, but we don't know. Just update this here. Okay. So it probably fixed that folder again. Let me see. Yeah, see? Okay, it's fine. Synaptics, Ubisoft. Yeah, I want to keep that. Tungle, Splashtop, AVG, Blizzard, Apple, Sakura, Apple. I don't want Apple shit here. I had how do you call it, iTunes, but I don't like it, so yeah. What the heck is this? RLD? Achievement. RLD. What the flying fuck is RLD? I want a thing here. Local. No, it's empty. Stats. Achievements. I don't even know what that means. So I have no idea what it is. I think I'm going to keep it because, yeah, well, I have no idea what it is. So yeah, Hi-Res Studios. Yeah, that's my Smite. I don't actually play Smite anymore, so I can delete that. Don't like Smite. That's IOBit for my game boost. I don't actually use that anymore, so I can remove that again. Users. Still, my rig folder is pretty big. I don't like that. Oh, it's all there. Yes. That's it. Still, 800 MB. It can be any smaller than that. because I have Adobe Flash and everything. Flash, yeah, Adobe thing. You know. And let me see, batch DPG, I don't actually need that, so I'm going to delete that again. Adobe, After Effects, then Premiere, wait, I don't actually have effects anymore, it was a trial. 6.0, autosave, delete that, it's all my old files. Those are preview files, so I can delete that too. All old files, I don't need them. So just remove it, be gone. Layouts, yeah, well, I don't actually have another layout. If I just remove my old layouts, it's going to be a default layout again. And that's actually what I want, because all I want for Christmas is a default layout or something like that. So that's done. Deus Ex, that's my Deus Ex save folder. Deus Ex Invisible War, that's Deus Ex Invisible War save games, EA games, Mirror's Edge save games. eWriteSoft output, what is this? Okay, it's empty, so I can delete it. Fire Emblem, I can delete that, I can delete that. And I can delete that, yes, I want to remove those. What's in there? Borderlands, Terraria. It's fine. I want that to be gone too. Let me see. What's this? That's my channel art. And what's the other one? It's my channel art. It's my channel art. It's my channel art. Channel art. Oh hey. Hearthstone. Yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this. Take some out of there, like this one, this one, this one. Oh, whoops, what I'm doing. This one, this one. Just going to put those one out of there and delete the rest. Yes. And this stuff needs to go. Fireworks. In a folder called GT. Boom, like that. Now we cleaned up pretty good here. Pretty happy with that. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Okay, as you can see, my documents folder is much cleaner now. Let's go back to this one. Yeah, I did all that already. Yeah, it's fine. I can't really make it any smaller than that. Actually, I could delete this folder, I think. Yeah. It would help a little. Documents, it's fine. Can I make it? Can't I make it any smaller? No, I can't. Open DSP, fraps. Always think to yourself, can it be any smaller than that? If it can, be happy. If it can't, yeah, well, shit. Let me see how much it actually gets out of there this time. I can make, well, that's running. I can do a normal cleanup, like Windows style cleanup. It does some good things. It's actually too big. Way too big. How is my Windows folder still 23 gigs? That's not right. It's not right at all. What the hell is going on here? Way too big. .3 gigs. Where does it get all that space? God, way too big. God, I can't make it any smaller, I think. Common files. Adobe. Saved fonts. Yeah, I can't. Why so goddamn big? 900 MB. It's fine. Program data. I really can't make it any smaller. God, why? Why so big? Why must it be so big? Well, let's keep it at that then. I can't really make it smaller. That's pretty bad. This found thing is a thing from check disk. It's just corrupted data. I can remove that. Just like that. Well, yeah, it should be fine now. Let me see here. Now that I've done all the basic stuff, the manual cleanup and everything, let's go on to the less basic cleanup. We're going to go to my downloads. This is called AVG TuneUp. It's like really good at cleaning up your computer. It does most stuff I can't even imagine to do. There's only one thing, it's paid. You get 15 days trial, so if you need a fast cleanup, it's fine. There are 3 alternatives. I believe glary utils was pretty good, so you could use that. Anyway, okay, so it's installed now. I just thought I forgot a step. Let me see. Where's my mouse there? Ah. Alright, finish. Yeah. Okay, let me get to my... I forgot this step. It's called msconfig. msconfig. Just press enter. Right. There's this thing called boot, and then go advanced options. You want number of processors to be your maximum number of processors, so it boots faster. It's really nice to do that. Now we're going to our services, hide all Microsoft services, and we're going to take a look at what we want and what we don't want. Like we don't want Open DHCP server to start automatically. I don't like that. TeamViewer service, why do I need that to start automatically? I just want TeamViewer to run when I want it to run. Unassigned themes, yeah, it's ridiculous, but I need to run that service just to have a different kind of theme, because I don't like the default Windows 7 kind of theme. So I changed my theme to another theme called well, I called it oh here, it's called Soft 7. So yeah, that's what it's called. I have a Windows 8 theme too, but I don't bother using it because I don't like it. I thought I would like it, but I don't like it. Okay, so let's go on. This thing, your boot up things. Let me see, what do I want to run? I should be very careful. Apps and printers have a very weird kind of name, so I don't want to disable that. Bluetooth, I don't need to start up that up automatically. I would never ever disable your virus scanner. That's just stupid. So don't do that. Furthermore, this is pretty fine. I'm going to press OK. Yeah, okay. AVG PC tune-up. I like this program. I don't like that it's been taken over by AVG, but yeah, it's still fine. I'm going to press... give me a moment. It's going to take some time. This is a pretty heavy program, so if you're done cleaning up, I would remove it again, if I were you. Like I always do, because it's really heavy. Oh, hey, it's already done, it says. Okay, it's fine. PC health, no problems found. Rescue centers enabled. Optimize, disable startup programs. It's actually the same thing I did with msconfig, but here you can delete some entries. So that's nice. Update checker, what the flying fuck is that? I'm going to delete that. I don't want update checkers. So that's fine. Really fast. If you're more took longer, you didn't actually use it, then yeah, it gets worse the longer your computer is not optimized. I just do it every month, so my computer is pretty fast. Let me see here. It should be fine. Oh yeah, there are some other settings I like to use in performance. I disable most of this stuff. I would just try unchecking some stuff and yeah, look how it looks to you. Because if you disable it all, it's ugly. If you enable it all, it's slow. So I disable most stuff because I don't like pretty effects on my computer. I don't need that. So yeah, most of it is disabled for me. But you can use your own stuff for that. So yeah. Clean registry. I don't actually use that much. I just do the maintenance. The clean registry is a bit important, but you can break more stuff than that you're happy with. Now my laptop has data on my D drive I like to keep, but furthermore, I don't really care if my installation breaks, because I can just reinstall my Windows. But let me see. Superflow is key. Open with doesn't contain any data. AP BIOS file does not contain any data. Does not contain any data. Does not contain. TILP. Yeah, I don't have TILP. Cage from invalid entry. If you don't know what it all means, I wouldn't really even dare to change anything here. But this looks all pretty fine to me. It's like gray. It was a bit of malware on my computer. My fire scanner picked it up. I don't like malware. Nobody does, but yeah. Clean up browser. Yeah, that should be fine. How far is my Deus Ex? I bought it like yesterday, because I have the PlayStation 3 version, but I don't like the PlayStation. I just got my PlayStation 3 version for free. But €5, I just couldn't resist it. It's Steam. Please, Steam. They are so good at that kind of stuff. Let me see. Yeah, I can delete pretty much most of that. Yeah, I can delete it. Mostly backups and stuff. I don't keep any backups because I keep one backup. There's one backup I never delete, and it's not on my computer. I've burned it to a disk. I do that on all my computers. I make one backup, and that one backup is when my system is totally clean and just installed. That's so I don't really have to install it again when something breaks. But any other than that, no, I don't keep any backups. So yeah, it's just my thing to not keep any backups. Optimized system startup and shutdown. Let me see here. I'm almost done. It's optimized. Defragment registry, I'd like to do that. It works pretty fine. It's going to analyze it now. It's going to take some time. After that, it's going to whine about it needs to really start to make it happen, make all the magic happen there. It's not really a problem. Just need to reboot it once. But I don't think I'm going to show you all that because it's pretty much not needed. Because, well, why do you want to see that? It's not really, yeah. Just makes my videos longer. And this video is going to be very long already, because cleaning up your computer takes some time. So I'm going to pause the video again to make this work, so you don't have to. Oh, so it actually told me your registry has already been analyzed. And it's already optimized, so they can't really do anything about it. That's pretty much possible because I did it lately, cleaning the thing. So yeah, I get that. It's not really the biggest problem here. Let me go on. The fragment hard disk. I always do that, just not on this utility. So you have this personalize. Oh, I like this actually, personalize. I have my own logon screen. It looks like this. I like it better than this here, the standard Microsoft thing. You can just use your own picture here. I like that about AVG. I don't believe glary utils has that. The visual style, what is that? Oh yeah, that's my soft 8. That's fine. Yeah, it's just you can make all kinds of themes here. Really nice is that. Everything you can replace. It's so damn nice. It doesn't have that in glary utils, and I'm just really happy that you can do that kind of stuff here. So yeah. Furthermore, let me see. I think I'm done here. You can check your hard disk for errors. You should do that if you're actually first time that you clean up. Oh, and I can show you another thing. Oh no, don't do that, don't do that. I can show you another thing. Something I did at the very beginning of my installation. Oh yeah, wait, yeah. Turn Windows features on and off, or on or off. There are some things you can just disable. You don't need it. And I'm going to show you what those things are. If you don't use any Windows games like Free Cell, Chess Titans and that sort of kind of stuff, you can just disable it like this. Indexing service, I don't need it. Internet Explorer 11, yeah, I do need that. It's for my own safety. But I don't need any media center. Why do I even have that enabled? And the Windows DVD Maker, I don't need it either. Disabled it too. Windows Media Player, I actually use it because if I have more media streams like with the X3, it plays them simultaneously. It's nice. This is fine. Something I always disable is the Windows Gadget platform, the games, indexing service, and that's about it. if you have another searcher than Windows search, you could even disable that. But be absolutely certain that that you don't need anything of that. Just be careful with this, because you need a Windows CD to get it back on. I do have a Windows CD, but if you don't, you're pretty much screwed. So yeah, be careful. Restart later. Yeah, all those things ask you to restart. You don't actually have to do it instantly. Just keep doing your cleanup and then restart when you're all done. So a check disk would be appropriate. After that, we still have our defragment to do. That's 2. But I was actually, yeah, well, fire scan. I did it already lately. Last scan 10/12, and it's now 26/12. So yeah, I'm going to do that somewhat later. It's full. It was a full scan because I had malware. So yeah. So a fire scan is always nice to do. Oh, delete this. I don't need that. Yeah, I'm going to delete this program anyway after I'm done. I do it always, and then when I need it, I just install it again and use the key on it. Yeah, I have. It's paid. I like this better than glary utils, but glary utils is pretty good also. So yeah, you can use that. Dark AVG. Going to delete that too. Well, after that, all that remains is defragment. Well, after I'm done defragmenting, this took me about an hour because it's already pretty cleaned up. But I work at a company called De Weert in Emst, and we have some computers there that needs clean up, and it takes me a whole work day because I don't know what they did to their computers, but it's mostly full of shit and just a Pentium 4 processor and everything. Well, so those kind of computers just get way faster, slow way faster. So I actually have my Intel Core i5. It's not really the best laptop, you could say. I can practically play anything on it, so I'm happy. I've done the new Call of Duty on this too. A demo, just to try it. I don't really like Call of Duty because there are people just screaming at each other. But yeah, I wanted to see how the newest Call of Duty was holding up, and it was on Steam for free a weekend. So yeah, let me see. Those defragments are going to take a long time, and I think I'm about done. So see you next time, and just know what you're doing. If you just follow these steps, just get WinDirStat, look at big files and that kind of stuff. But if you're new to this, don't touch your Windows folder. Only touch the files you just know you can delete. It slowly gets better and you can delete way more. My computer here doesn't have Adobe or whatever. It has some games, and the installation of my Windows is about 17 gigs. My D drive is about 30 gigs of games. So that together is 47 gigs. If you put an SSD in there and you have a 20 gig SSD, it would be way too small. Well, let's say a 40 gig SSD, and if you keep it just clean and tidy, you could use your SSD 40 gigs and just put all kinds of Windows stuff on there, maybe one game, then it should be fine. But SSDs are expensive. I don't have anything yet. My drives are pretty bad, actually. I can show you that. I just have this laptop for a year now, maybe somewhat longer, not much longer. And my drive is already pretty bad. That's the thing about laptops. They don't really put good hard drives in there. I'm going to show you. Also, my laptop always runs about this hot. I can't really do anything about that. I've applied new cooling paste and everything. It's not really a problem either. Yeah, just a bit warm. Look, so I'm going to show you what is wrong with my hard drive. It's above the normal range. That's basically, it's powered on longer, but it's pretty much, yeah, it's pretty normal because I always have my laptop on about that. Now this below, and it's pretty stressed, and this is pretty stressed, and this makes my fitness 85% and my performance 97%, and it's, yeah, I'm not really happy about that. It's already pretty much. Also, it's been acting up sometimes, so yeah, I'm not really happy about that. But anyway, I think we're done with the cleanup here. As you can see, it's already much faster, and your games get faster too. And because I'm running all kinds of stuff together, it's even slower than it's going to be. It's going to be even faster. So I hope I have I've shown you how to clean up your computer pretty decently. Any questions, just comment and like and subscribe. So see you later.